Out of the mountain of despair, a stone of hope, Martin Luther King Jr. Thank you for your strength and courage during this crisis, everyone at the Carroll School and beyond. With the help of my employer, the Carroll School, they have allowed me to take 2 of our 3D printers home and set up a makeshift fab lab. And with that, I am making masks for local nurses and doctors to help them through this crisis. Here's a small clip of our first prints of the mask. This one on the Prusa is from La Factoria 3D. This is a 3-piece mask, and we already have a few of these printed. And this one here on the Ultimaker is a Seattle respirator, a little bit more complex, but we hope it works. We're going to try this, the one that you just saw, and another one called the Budman face mask. Here is the Prusa Slicer software showing the La Factoria 3D mask setup. This is the Ultimaker Cura slicing software showing the Seattle respirator. And this is the Prusa slicing software again showing the Budman mask. Again, thank you to everybody that is working on the front lines. You are the bravest. Your courage is beyond words, and we can't thank you enough.